Have you ever had problems sending files directly from your computer to Gmail? Then say hello to Mappy for Gmail. Hey there, I'm Mappy for Gmail, and today I'm going to be showing you how easy, fast, and convenient it is to send files directly through your Gmail. Ready to know how? Then let's check out the story of Donnie. Donnie is a creative graphic designer. He works for a marketing company and does tons of sketches daily. Every time he designs a sketch, he finds it hard to email to his clients until he discovered Mappy for Gmail. Yep, that's me. Now Donnie can simply send the file from Photoshop, right-click his new sketch, and send it through a new Gmail message. And then there is Grandma Liza. Grandma Liza now has a Gmail address and is not using Outlook anymore. However, every time she wants to send a document to her grandson, it's like a nuclear bomb detonates right in front of her, and she can't help but feel sad and frustrated. Then she discovered Mappy for Gmail, and everything changed. Now she can easily right-click any file and send it through Gmail. It's as easy and convenient as that. So download Mappy for Gmail today.